Hello and welcome back again to my channel. Today I share with you the simple yet delicious Ghanaian jollof rice recipe. Very easy and you are definitely going to love it. And for today's jollof rice recipe, I'm going to be using just 8 ingredients. This jollof rice recipe is on low budget and everyone must try it. So if today been your first time on this channel, hello, this is Cooking with Efia. Kindly do subscribe to my channel and be part of this beautiful family. Let's dive right into it. So for my ingredients, I'm going to be using 4 medium-sized onions. I'm also going to be using about 6 cloves of garlic, and don't worry, I'm going to be listing everything in the description box for you to check it out. Next, I'll also use ginger, scotch bonnet peppers, tomato paste. You can substitute the tomato paste for fresh tomatoes. All right, use any tomato brand of your choice. Moving forward, I'm also going to be using cooking oil, and of course I'm also going to be using rice. And for the rice as well, you can also use local rice or any perfume rice of your choice. And for our 8th ingredient, which is the spices and the salts, you can omit the spices if you don't want to add any of it. All right, so basically this is my 8 basic ingredients for this jollof rice recipe. So to a big pot, I'll go in with my cooking oil. Use any cooking oil of your choice. Allow the oil to heat up for about 1 to 2 minutes, and afterwards I'll go in with my chopped onions. I will stir very well and allow it to fry for about 1 to 2 minutes for it to also release its flavors to the oil very well. All right. Alright, so moving forward, I'll go in with my blended pepper, ginger, garlic, and 2 medium-sized onions. I'll stir very well, cover it, and allow it to cook until it's nice and ready. Remember as well to check your sauce from time to time. All right, so whilst that is going on, let me also use this opportunity to thank you all my returning subscribers and new foodie members right here. You guys are amazing. Thank you for always liking my video, sharing and commenting on my videos, fam. I am very grateful. Thank you so much for doing that. So whilst our pepper mix is ready, I will also go in with my tomato paste. As I said, you can as well go in with any brand or fresh tomatoes if that is what you have. All right, stir very well, and I'll go in with just a little bit of water to allow the tomatoes to cook very well. Okay, stir very well, cover it on low medium heat for about 10 to 15 minutes, and allow the tomatoes to also cook until it's nice and a little bit brown or dark in color. All right, whilst that is going on, if you haven't still subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Kindly do subscribe to my channel. Also turn on the post notification bell as well, so that anytime I upload a new video, you'll be among the first person to be notified. So whilst the tomatoes is also ready, I will go in with my spices and my salt, stir very well, cover it, and allow the spices to also cook down a little bit. And at this point, it is nice and ready. So I'll set some of the stew aside since I'm not going to be using all of the stew. And afterwards, I'll go in with my rice. For the rice, use any local rice or any perfume rice of your choice. Next, I'll go in with my water, and be sure not to go in with a lot of water because jollof rice doesn't need a lot of water to cook. All right, And after also going in with the water, remember also to check for salt as well. So you need to cover the rice and allow it to cook on low medium heat until it's nice and ready. And jollof rice really needs attention, so kindly note it. So I'm going to use my clean napkin to cover the jollof rice to help retain the vapor inside, so that the jollof rice will cook very fast and also cook perfectly well. All right. Alright, so whilst that is going on, if you haven't give this video a thumbs up yet, what are you waiting for? Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Also share this video to your lovely friends and family for them also to enjoy this recipe as well. Thank you so much for doing that. Okay, so after covering the rice with the napkin for the second time, just look at how perfect the jollof rice came out. It came out so good and just delicious. Fam, let me know in the comment section what you think about this 8 basic ingredients jollof rice recipe. And the taste was just amazing as well. Can you try this recipe and thank me later? Thank you so much for watching this video to this point, and if you enjoyed to this point, that means you are always a proud foodie member. Kindly do subscribe to my channel. Also turn on the post notification bell as well, so that anytime I upload a new video on this channel, you'll be among the first person to be notified. Thank you so much and kindly stay blessed. Bye.